Hey, good morning guys. Wes here from Outer Banks this week with your weekly beach report. I'm out here at Bittern Street Beach Access in Nags Head. And it is a cloudy, cooler morning out here than what we've seen recently. It's about 75 degrees right now. Nice steady breeze blowing. The sun hasn't popped out yet. It was a little muggy and humid when I got out here this morning. It was hard to keep the fog off my camera lens. But it's gonna be nice and calm this morning. Once that sun does pop out, we will see a big heat spike. They're saying the high today is gonna reach up to 90 degrees possibly. And it's gonna be like that for most of the week. I see a lot of temperatures anywhere between the low to mid 80s up to all the way to 90 degrees. But we are gonna see a lot of scattered showers this week. It's gonna be one of those weeks you wanna keep an eye on the weather and make sure you don't get caught out on the beach during a big thunder and lightning storm or anything like that. But there's a lot of great stuff going on up and down the whole Outer Banks. This week we have art workshops at places like Absolutely Outer Banks and AR Workshop. We have Ride the Wind Surf Shop down south. It's going to be doing full moon kayak tours at nighttime. We have yoga at places like Jeanette's Pier for Namaste at the beach and yoga on the green and Duck. Kerala up in Whalehead, there's going to be a big cornhole tournament going on this week. And Kitty Hawk Kites has their 38th annual Regalo Kite Festival going on this weekend. So there's going to be a lot of great stuff going on. If you need to find out all the information for everything that's happening all the way from Kerala down to Ocracoke, make sure you check us out at OuterBanksThisWeek.com for all that information. And have yourself a great day.
OuterBanksThisWeek.com. Don't miss a thing.